Hello everyone. Now in this session you are going to understand how to register course for a student using exception handling. Till now I haven't shared you the long video. Now in this session you are going to understand each and everything in a detailed way. Okay, kindly pay attention what I am doing. Okay, first of all what I am doing, I am just including the package and I am applying array list concept, and I am going to declare the data members, and and I am applying parameters constructor, and here each and everything is going to be pointing to a particular object. Course name, course code, instructor, seats available. These are all the different data members, and you are going to point out the object. And next, please recollect the old one. Whenever you are using the getter setter method, getter is used to read the variable and setter is used to change the object value. And similarly, course code and instructor, these are all the things you need to apply the same. Okay, and I'm just applying parameters constructor followed by getter setter method. Now take another class. Okay, our intention is to register course for a student. For this, I took the registration system, and next I am just applying the array list. Please recollect array list syntax. Just I'm just giving the private and list name and the course. Here course is nothing but class type. Okay, array list course, array list course type, and next and object courses. And here you need to whatever you are giving in the class name, please give the same name as your constructor. So this is nothing but default constructor, and here you are pointing the particular object because you are applying the array list, and you need to add the course. And so like this way you have to build the logic courses dot add courses. And next you need to write one method, display available courses. Okay, here I am applying for each loop because you already took array list. Already you have content in courses, and you need to store in the new one called course, and you need to print all the details: course name, course code, instructor, seats available. And next take another method, register student. Please recollect the exception handling concept, try catch. And here assume that you are having no data for selected course, and apply for each loop, and apply if condition. If course code equals to course code, then selected course will be whatever you selected, it will be displayed to you. And for after successful execution, you have to break it. Okay, so like this way, if any problem with data like null, so it will cause exception, and you need to get a seats available. If greater than 0, what is this is the statement you have to include. You need to set the you need to apply setter method by applying set seats available. So how many seats available it is going to display, and it will prompt the registration successful. And you include a try blocks followed by catch, illegal argument exception, illegal state exception. And come to the main method. In main method, you need to focus on the object. What's the class name? Registration system. And registration system is your object, and you are just invoking the default constructor. So registration system, you need to invoke the method add course, and so the different courses I'm just giving. And finally I need to call this method display available courses and register students. So I want to execute this program right now. See, available courses in Java, data structures, Python. So I'm just giving some random values with instructor and the seats available. So registration successful. Suppose if I want to give some CSC 31. See, registration failed. It is not there in the data, so it can't be chosen. Whatever there only we are going to prefer. Okay. I hope this example worked for you. And if you are having any concern, please approach me. Okay. I did not do anything. Just I involved all the things in the same program. This is a very interesting example. Please go through it carefully and practice as much as you can. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe without fail. This is very important, and put like and share others to subscribe.